Moen Brantford pull-down faucet brings traditional style and the latest in hands-free convenience to your kitchen. Motion Sense senses what you need and responds the moment you need it. Need to complete a quick task? The Ready sensor supplies water only until you move away from the sink. Use the handle at any time to adjust the water temperature and flow. Brantford also features Moen's reflex system, so your sprayer retracts effortlessly and docks seamlessly. 3 spray settings add to Brantford's functionality. Aerated stream for everyday cleaning. Pause function lets you conveniently stop water flow from the spray head, and powerful rinse for heavy-duty cleaning. The Brantford pull-down kitchen faucet from Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.
Alexa, ask Moen to run the warm water.
Running faucet to 86 degrees.
Alexa, ask Moen for a tablespoon of water.
Alexa, ask Moen for 1 quart of 70-degree water.
The Sensei Touchless Kitchen Faucet, featuring response technology, fuses sleek design with a workhorse-like mentality, delivering flexibility, convenience, and hygienic control for the modern kitchen. In this video, we will cover the step-by-step installation of the faucet and some points of general care. There are several important safety instructions to consider. When using electrical products, basic precautions should always be followed, including connecting only to a circuit protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. Outside North America, this device may be known as a residual current device, or RCD. Grounding is required. A licensed electrician should make all electrical connections. Disconnect power before servicing. Please read all instructions thoroughly before beginning installation. The faucet spout contains a magnet. Do not allow items susceptible to electromagnetic damage to come into close proximity to the spout, such as debit or credit cards. Please keep in mind, this faucet contains back siphonage protection, so do not remove any internal components. This faucet also contains sensitive electronic components, so do not store open containers of chemical or cleaning products near the faucet. Cleaning rags or sponges must be rinsed with fresh water before storage. Do not use a switch-controlled outlet, typically used for garbage disposals, to provide power to the faucet. Be sure to provide a constant, unswitched 120-volt AC electrical outlet located below the sink within 5 feet of the control box. For new installations, assemble the faucet to the sink before installing the sink. For uneven mounting surfaces, such as tile grout lines, apply a suitable sealant under the faucet, but do not use a petroleum-based sealant. Be sure to follow all plumbing, electrical, and building codes. Before you begin installation, you should have the following tools and materials on hand: 3/8-inch stops, pliers, adjustable wrenches, rags, Phillips screwdriver, an unswitched electrical outlet, bucket, and mounting screws, based on the type and thickness of the cabinet or wall where the control box will be mounted. Shut off the water supply before starting. To begin, partially thread the machine screws into the mounting ring. Insert the faucet through the mounting surface. Slide the washer up the shank. Thread the mounting ring up the shank until it is a 1/4 inch from the underside of the sink. Turn the mounting ring so the machine screws align front and back. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the machine screws. First, assemble the outlet hose to the faucet. Connect and tighten the supply hoses to the supply stops. A word of caution, the supply hoses must not be taut or kinked when installed. If you must coil the supply hoses, maintain an inside diameter of 3 inches. Make sure the handle on the faucet is in the off or closed position. Put the end of the outlet hose into an empty bucket. Turn on the water supplies. Then flush hot and cold water into a bucket for 1 minute to remove any debris. Check for leaks. Next, connect the spray hose by sliding the weight and then the clamp onto the spray hose. You can use a pair of pliers to expand the clamp over the hose end. Attach the spray hose to the outlet fitting on the solenoid. Make sure the hose is completely engaged into the fitting. Then attach the outlet hose to the solenoid. Locate the solenoid valve within 7 or 8 inches of the faucet center line. Fasten the mounting bracket vertically to the cabinet or wall, allowing adequate clearance for servicing. Secure the mounting bracket with 2 suitable fasteners, which are not included, based on the type and thickness of the cabinet or wall material. The manual override can be positioned either on the right or left side of the cover. Simply remove the appropriate tab on the cover. Next, apply the provided grease to the sensor socket located on the circuit board inside the cover. This helps protect the sensor from corrosion. Connect the handle switch wire and sensor wire from the faucet to the circuit board. Connect the supply wire to the circuit board. Plug the power supply into an unswitched 120-volt AC outlet. The green LED on the circuit board will illuminate. Connect the solenoid wire to the circuit board. Fit the cover over the solenoid. Secure the assembly to the mounting bracket with 2 screws provided. Now, test activation of the sensor. To test the sensor, start the water flow by rotating the handle outward to the open position. The white handle LED will illuminate to indicate that the sensor is functioning. Adjust the handle to the desired water temperature. Then wave your hand under the spout to turn the water off. Wave your hand under the spout again to restart the flow of water. Position the weight between 2 and 3 inches from the cabinet floor. Then secure the clamp around the spray hose just below the weight. Extend and retract the spray hose to check for smooth operation. Turn the faucet on to check for leaks and make sure all connections are tight. The Sensate Touchless Kitchen Faucet makes it easy to flow through tough kitchen tasks without pausing to turn the faucet handle on and off, and without worrying about spreading the mess and germs to the rest of the kitchen.